Hi, this is Andreas, and in this video I will make an overview of the digital store so you can see the front end and be more familiar with the sections and the areas of it. Okay, now I'm on the home page, and as you can see we have the main banner and there is a search bar that you can search products. Here it says that we have 500 digital products, instant download, 30 days money back. You can change anything you see. I want to mention this. Whatever you see is editable on the site. Okay, so we have the search bar and continue. Here you can have, it shows how many ebooks you have, how many courses, WordPress and themes and HTML templates. Here I have a multi-tab. You can browse products by searching by ebooks, video courses, audio courses, web development. Here on the web development there are HTML templates, WordPress themes and WP plugins, and there is the music tracks. Okay, you see that the prices are zero now. This is because I have an active membership on the site and makes all the prices zero. Otherwise, for the customers, all the prices are normal. So if you see for yourself that you have zero the prices, is because you have an active membership on the site. Okay, continue with the home page. If you click here, you see all the products. What I mean, you go to the shop page. That was the home page, but here you go to the shop page when you can filter products. There is also search bar. You can filter by prices. You can just search for audio courses or WP plugins, WordPress plugins. Okay, also you can select categories, and here you can have a sort by popularity, average rating, sort by latest, price. You can choose to have 24 courses review, like 48 overall. Here on the left there is this promo bar. You can add whatever you want there. I show in another video how to edit this and how you can add your own promo banner. I have made it nicely to be nice sticky, you see it stays there. You can add even above this, below this you can add another one, so you can promote other offers you have as an affiliate. Okay, here there is the load more button. If you click, it loads more products. That's all about the WP plugins. If I go to ebooks, but there are a lot, and click load more, then it has again load more and load more. So there are a lot of plugins, ebooks and video courses. Alright, and on the bottom we have the footer. There are legal pages. I have created privacy policy, terms of service and earnings disclaimer. All are ready for you. If I install the store for you, it means that I have already edited them. I have added your brand and everything. You don't need to do anything. If you do the tab yourself, I have video to show you how to edit this. You just need to add on specific points your brand name, your company name actually, your country and a few more details. Very easy, 5 minutes of editing. Otherwise it's done for you if I did the setup for you. Here we have the logo, so wherever on the site somebody is, if clicks the logo goes to the home page. Then we have quick links. You can see your orders, downloads, the account details, if you lost the password, membership, become an affiliate, and the contact us page. Let's show you the contact us page. Here there are some FAQs, and there is also a contact form. So if somebody wants to contact you, can contact you through this contact form. Okay, this is the contact us page. I don't have it here on the main menu. I have it on my account, the contact us, and I have it also on the bottom here on the footer, contact us. Okay, let's continue. I was on the home page. The home page is built with Elementor page builder. I show you later another video how to edit the home page using the Elementor Page Builder plugin that is installed on the site, on the store. Okay, you just click here edit with Elementor and you start edit the page. You can change everything. The image banner is good if you want to change to make it more unique, to look more your own and different from other sites. It's good to change the main banner and maybe some colors, and instantly it will look different. If you don't want to make any change, you can leave it as it is. Then if you continue on the home page, you see after this you have a promo banner. You can choose to promote whatever you want on this promo banner. I have video that show you how to edit the page with Elementor, so you can see how to change the banner and add whatever you want as an affiliate. Then we have the featured products. You can add and choose what products will be as a featured products. Then there is one more place for a promo banner. Okay, you can again promote something that you like. And then there is a section where at the bottom where I ask people to subscribe to my emailing list, and you can do the same if you want, and they get 90% discount for the first order. This is good because at the same time you sell something, you make some money, and at the same time you get an email which is valuable, and you can promote later other offers to these people, and you can make money as an affiliate if you want. It is very important to build an email list. Okay, so this they can click here and they can go to the opt-in form. So you have to add your own opt-in form link here. Can be from GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp, or anything else, what other program you are using. Okay, you can change anything here, the text, the image if you want, anything. Okay, let's continue with the next menu item. This is the products. So we have some categories: ebooks, video courses, web design, and audio. That includes on the audio we have music, and also we have some audio courses. And on web design we have WordPress themes, WordPress plugins, and HTML templates. On the video courses we have, if you click here you see all the courses, but then we have separately the categories, 6 different categories. Also on the ebooks we have the same 6 categories. The ebooks and the video courses are almost the same. I mean, each ebook has a complementary video course, so they are going like together, and the rest are individual. Okay, we'll continue. Here on the menu we have the My Account. You can register on the site, you can see the orders you have made, downloads. This actually is what your customers will see and be able. I'm just letting you know now as a store owner, so what your customers will have options. They can see the downloads, the payment methods they have, the details of the account, they lost the password. They can contact via the contact us page that I show you, and they can log out, or you can log out of the site. Okay, if you are logged out, it will show the login here. Also here we have the membership. On the site, if you have the premium version, you get also membership setup. So if you click on the membership, it brings you on the membership sales page. I have created a membership sales page to help you sell to help you sell access on all products through a membership. This is very nice because you can sell access to all 500 products with one simple payment. Okay, you see here there is a lifetime membership with $77. You can change this price or whatever you like, but it is very nice because people want to buy things like lifetime. They don't want to pay monthly or yearly, but you can choose if you want to have it yearly or monthly, and you can choose the price, of course, and you can change everything. This is this page is built with Elementor Page Builder. Okay, so we have this membership page. It has 10 sections. You can see some products shown here, what is available. There is a money back guarantee. There are some FAQs about the membership. Here you can have your image if you want, or you can add your logo, and you can write here a note from the founder of your store. It will be here your store, or you can write a note from the team of your store. So you don't want to, if you don't want to put your name and your image, you can add your logo and write team. Okay, and here we just ask the person to join. If you click join, it brings you on the membership so you can pay. Okay, this is the membership sales page. Only for this sales page you could pay $150 or $200 to get it, because it's a 10 section sales page. Okay, but you get it together with a premium version. So if you click on the account, you are on the membership account, the membership area. It says here I have lifetime access to 500 digital products. It's $77. It never expires. You can cancel it, change it, cancel it, change it. Like if there was other levels, you can change it from level to level. It shows here the past invoices, when it was created and paid. Okay, and here you can find product. Or contact us, somebody can contact you. Continue, you can change the profile of the membership, billing, and log out. Next we have the affiliates. If you buy the premium package of the site, you get also the affiliate setup, so you can have affiliates promoting your site, and when they bring sales you give them commission. I have set up to be 50% the commission. I believe the better you provide, that you give, the more possible is the affiliates to promote your store. It doesn't cost you anything. If an affiliate promote the membership and sell it with $77, you keep the half, which is like 38, how much it is, and you give to the affiliate the rest, the 38, but 38 and a half. But it doesn't cost you anything, so it's a free money for you, and it will be good to give a good at least 40. I suggest 50% commission, so you can have the affiliates promoting your site. Okay, and then I have the buttons become an affiliate, or if you are already an affiliate, to log in, some details. There are some FAQs about the affiliate, and the contact here will be your email. If I set up the store for you, then everything will be done for you. Here will be your email, here will be your site name and everything. If you set up it yourself, if you don't pay for the installation and you set up it yourself, you have to set up this yourself, but I have a video that shows you how to do that, so don't worry. Okay, then we have the affiliate registration. You can register as an affiliate here. And your customers will register as an affiliate, and you have the right to approve them or reject them, or you can set it up to automatically approve them, so you don't have to do it manually, but I suggest to not approve everybody, because not everybody is promoting ethically and it can damage your store. So then you will have a notification on the dashboard if somebody applies to become an affiliate, and you see the notification, and you get also an email as an admin, and you go to approve or reject. Alright, and we have also the login. So it says here that you are already logged into the WordPress. You can become an affiliate here. I'm not registered as an affiliate, so it says not yet an affiliate, become an affiliate now. Okay, here is on the menu is the wish list. If the customer add the products on the wish list, you can see all here, and there is the cart, and here there is the search bar. You can search for products on the site. And here, if you see now this admin bar, don't worry, this will not be shown to your customers. This is only shown to you because you will be the admin of the store. I'm the admin of this store, so that's why I can see this admin bar. Otherwise the customers will not see it. Okay, I think I show you everything. Here I have on the right side, I have the messenger chat. There is a plugin that is added on the site. If you have a Facebook page that I suggest you to have, you can set up, it's free, you can set up the messenger. I have videos showing you how to do that, because it's very nice. If somebody is contact you with the real name, the real profile, you can follow up with them, even if they close the site, even they leave the site, okay? Because this is a good thing with Messenger. You can follow up if they contact you with their profile. If they contact you as a guest, you cannot follow up with them, okay? They choose how to contact you, but it is for free and you can have it here. I think I show you everything. I don't need to show you something else for the front end. This is if you want now to go to the admin dashboard, you just click here, dashboard, and you will be on the dashboard, okay? On the next video I will make an overview of the dashboard, so you will be familiar with everything is here, because it's more complicated, and because here is the place that you manage everything, you need to know and understand what it is, okay? Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.